The brain thinks. The heart pumps blood through the body. The stomach and intestines take care of digestion. What exactly does the liver do? It's a bit like that employee, the one who nobody really knows what they do. But when they're out sick, everything falls apart. The liver acts a bit like a cross between a sewage treatment plant, a factory and a logistics centre. It's connected to the digestive tract via the portal vein, which means that pretty much all of the nutrients we ingest, but also any harmful substances, end up in the liver at some point. Hormones and vitamins are recycled. Intestinal bacteria, as well as old blood cells, are disposed of. When these are broken down, bilirubin is formed, which is responsible for the yellowish colour of urine. The liver has quite a few tricks to neutralise harmful substances. It gradually converts alcohol into acetic acid and finally into water and CO2. Additionally, the liver produces up to 1 litre of bile every day, which then flows to the gallbladder and intestines and is critical for digesting fats. The liver can store minerals, vitamins and blood and pass them on to the bloodstream as needed. That's how it helps regulate blood sugar levels. After meals, it stores excess sugar as glycogen. And when the body needs energy, the liver sends that glycose out. On top of all that, the liver can regenerate like no other organ. As long as the diseased tissue is removed and more than half of the liver is still healthy, it can heal completely without leaving any visible scars. But if the liver has too much to do, it can quickly become overwhelmed. That's why we should give it a little rest now and then, so that it can do all of its important jobs.